The Excel Event Budgeting Worksheet is one of the Excel coaching tools that helps people to better manage and control their finances, organization, and events, allowing for a good result when planning an event. After all, having a budget is essential whether you manage finances at work or at home. In the business world, it is common for an organization to hold several events, and it is necessary to have a calculation to learn where you are spending, decide where you can pool, and determine where you would like to apply your money. The importance of defining organizational strategies is precisely to give the organizers a broad view of all the needs and stages of the event. Beforehand, to better contribute to the strategic planning of your events, we have prepared an Excel spreadsheet. In it, we have grouped all the essential information to put your ideas into practice, as well as this material to guide you in the best planning of expenses in large-scale planning as in events. The file presents different worksheets, which are: Organization, put all the data for contacting the organizers of the event and the contracted suppliers. This way you will know who to contact, and how, in each situation. Participants, create the list of participants and mark the confirmation of presence of each one, thus facilitating the decision-making that involves the quantity of those present at the event. Activities, identify who is responsible for the execution of each step of the project, which ones have been completed and which ones are in progress. Costs, keep track of all the costs of the event, both the estimated amount and the amount actually paid. Strategic planning is one of the key steps in producing an event. The Event Budget Worksheet is the collection of all this information in one spreadsheet, to assist in the general visualization of all the budget actions taken. This was our Event Budgeting Worksheet. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.